Hi guys and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will unbox a Christmas cracker from The Next Beauty. I have only one because when I ordered it on The Next Beauty website was only 3 crackers. 2 of them was for men and this one for women. I wanted to order one for men too, but there was an issue with the website. I managed to order only this one that you see. This happens on Monday. Today when I looked on The Next Beauty there are more options to choose from and they all are available to buy. If you are curious, you may take a look, definitely you will find something interesting. Let's get back to our cracker. It's called Pamper Prime and Perfect. It's retailed for £15 and worth over £42. Well, all the crackers are retailed for £15, I think, if I'm not wrong. Okay guys, this is the cracker, this is how it looks. In my opinion is adorable, super cute, the packaging is gorgeous. I hope that what we will find inside will be on the same level. And first we find a mini size product from Clarins, Beauty Flash Balm, Tightening and Radiance Boosting. It's formulated with 96% naturally sourced ingredients. Beauty Flash Balm will restore skin's youthful glow, diminishes signs of fatigue, smooths and soothes the skin. May be used by itself as a day treatment over your regular day cream, or mixed in with your liquid foundation, or even may be used as a face mask. Second, we find a product from the brand Pi, Resurrection Girl Hydrating Mask. Formulated to hydrate and soothe even the most dry, dehydrated skin, no matter how sensitive it may be. The cooling gel-like formula is supercharged with ingredients that will hydrate, moisturize, calm and soothe the skin. I tried this face mask in the past and it's lovely, it's hydrating, I like it. The third product from the cracker is from New Home Organics London, Super Shower Power Body Cleanser with spearmint, rosemary and eucalyptus. I tried this body wash from New Home Organics London and I didn't like it too much. It has a strong cooling effect which I didn't like. The scent again is not my cup of tea. I mentioned in a previous video that I don't really like strong plant scent. And because of that I am not a fan of this brand. Fourth, we find a product from Nuxe, Prodigious Floral, Multipurpose Dry Oil for face, body and hair. The iconic product made with 7 100% botanical oils, has a soft floral scent and can be used all over your body, face and hair. Well, about soft floral scent, I cannot agree with that. This oil has a strong and sweet floral scent. For what I like, is a bit too strong. Fifth product is a perfume from Yves Saint Laurent, Black Opium Eau de Perfume. Is the original Black Opium. Is described as energizing and addictive. And we have black coffee, white flowers and vanilla. It smells nice, is sweet and floral. And the last product from the cracker is the Mini Dare Real Magnet Mascara from Benefit. It's a lengthening mascara that features a magnetically charged brush designed to lengthen and lift your lashes, making them look up to 30% longer. I tried in this mascara and I remember that I like it. I think it's the only mascara from Benefit that I liked. Okay guys, and we unboxed the Pamper Prime and Perfect cracker from Next Beauty. What do you think about it? I personally like it a lot. I love the packaging, it's absolutely stunning and the products are nice too. Okay beautiful people, and this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!